Hello, my students, how are you? Today we'll explain your lesson about factorizing from Almoasser Book. Okay, are you ready? Next question. First, show the correct answer. First question, if x power 2 subtract a equal x minus 4 product by x plus 4, we want to find the value of a. We have the difference between two squared. We can factorize the expression x times x power 2 and negative 4 times 4 equal negative 16. Then the value of a here equal positive 16. Okay, we have x power 2 subtract by 16, then negative a equal negative 16, then the value of a equal positive 16. Next question. If x power 2 subtract b power 2 equal x minus 3 product by x plus 3, what is the value of b? We have the difference between two squared. X power 2 subtract b power 2 times x power 2 and negative 3 times positive 3, it will be negative 9. Then b power 2 will be equal 9. We can write here square root of 9, positive or negative. Then square root of negative or positive 3. Okay, b will be positive or negative. Square root of 9 equal positive or negative 3. Understood? Next question. If x power 2 subtract 100 equal k product x plus 10, what is the value of k? Look at here, we can factorize expression about two factors. The first, x power 2 equal to x by x, and also 100 equal negative 10 and positive. The sign here negative. Okay, negative times the positive, and 100 equal 10 times 10. We can combine between two factors here. The first factor k and second x plus 10. Then the value of k here, it will be the second factor of it. It will be x minus 10. The value of x equal the value of k equal x minus 10. It shows letter C. Okay? Letter C. Next question here. If x power 2 plus L subtract 25 equal x minus 5 times x plus 5, which is the value of L here? L here will be equal 0. Okay, because the factorization about x power 2 and negative 25 equal x minus 5 times x plus 5. Okay, this expression we can write x power 2 minus 25. Then the value of L here, it will be 0. Understood? Next question here down. Y power 4 minus 1 equal k product y minus 1 times y plus 1. What is the value of k here? Look at here, this expression. Y power 4 minus 1. We can factorize this expression y power 4 minus 1. Look at here. Y power 4 minus 1 is equal to, we can factorize about product with two parentheses. Y power 2. Y power 4 equal y power 2 and y power 2. Negative 1 and positive 1. Okay. Now I will combine between this example, but first I want to complete the factorization here. Y power 2 minus 1, it will be y minus 1 product by y plus 1. Okay, I factorize this expression. Okay, product by 1 and closed, and here also y power 2 plus 1. Okay, my students, in this example I factorize the expression about 2. Look at this expression. Y power 2 minus 1 equal y minus 1 product y plus 1. Okay, and we have y power 2 plus 1 here in the example. They are equivalent to this expression. You can combine between the answers. Y power 2 plus 1, where it will be the value of k, because y minus 1 product by y plus 1 equal y minus 1 plus y plus 1. Then the missed number here, it will be what? It will be y power 2 plus 1. Then the value here will be y power 2 plus 1. Okay, my students, you must complete the factorization about y power 2 or y power 4 and minus 1. Y power 4 minus 1, we factorize the expression about product 2 brackets. The first brackets here, y power 2 minus 1, and second, y power 2 plus 1. And also complete the factorization, y power 2 minus 1 equal to y minus 1 times y plus 1. And then we can complete the brackets here, y power 2 plus 1 is the value of unknown value k here. Is the value of k equal y power 2 plus 1. Next question here, if ax power 2 plus if ax power 2 subtract b equals 3x minus 2 product by 3x plus 2. What is the value of a plus b? We can factorize this expression here. Look at with me. This expression equivalent this. So this expression as the second by right hand side, you can simplest by product first by first and second by second because we have here conjunct. We call it conjunct. Okay. Then first by first it will be 9x power 2. We have here 9x power 2. And second by second it will be negative 4. This is the answer equivalent ex power 2 minus b. Comparing with me, comparing coefficient of x power 2, a will be equal 9. Then the value of a here equal 9. Okay, the value of a equal what? 9. A equal 9. And the value of b here equal 4. Comparing here, negative b equal negative 4. Then the value of b equal 4. B equal 4. Then he want what? He want a plus b. Then a plus b, we can collect two numbers. 9 plus 4 is 13. Then the answer here will be 13 about this question, okay? The answer will be what? Will be 13. It's the first group. Second group here, I will complete with you, okay, my students. Next question, number 7 here. Number 7, can you see here, he asked about a plus 7, a plus b. Yes, a plus b equal 3. And e minus b equal 2. What is the value of a power 2 minus b power 2? We can factorize this expression about product between two brackets, a minus b and a plus b also. So the two factors will be a minus b and a plus b. We can write the value of a and the value of b in this example. Look at here. We have the value of a was, look at here, the value of digit a was 3. Okay, write 3 here. Minus b. Look, he gave me the value here. A plus b was 3 and a minus b 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Then the value here would be 6. And next question here, number 8. If x plus 2y equal 3 and x power 2 minus 4y power 2 equal 21, what is the value of x minus 2y? In this example, we can complete it or we can factorize expression. Okay, x power 2 minus 4y power 2. We can factorize this expression. Okay, here you can factorize here. Okay, I will solve this example. X power 2 subtracted by 4y power 2. I will write two brackets here. Okay, my students, I open here two brackets and then I will complete to find the answer. Okay, my students, x power 2 plus 4y power 4 power 2. We can factorize this expression here. We can complete x power 2 equal x by x, and here negative and positive. 4y power 2, it will be 2y and 2y. First negative and second positive. Okay, now we can put the value of product together. It will be the number here. He gave me the number was 21. The value of the expression here was 21. Now we can complete the value of x plus 2y equals 3. Then 3 product by what equal 21? 3 product by 7. 3 product by 7 equal 21. In the value of the expression x minus 2y equals 7. Choose letter C. Next question here, number 9. Come with me here, number 9, my students. Okay. Look at with me number 9. Now, number 9, if L plus M equal 4 and L minus M equal 3, find the value of the expression M power 2 subtract L power 2. In this example, I can factorize it about product two factors, M product by M and L product by L, negative and positive. Now, I will put the value of L plus M is 4. And the value of M minus L, look at here, it's M minus L, not L minus M. It's the additive inverse about the expression. Look at with me here. This L minus M equals 3. Then we can write M subtract by L equal negative 3. Yes, negative 3 here. Then the value of M minus L, it will be negative 3. Then the value will be negative 12. Negative 12. It shows letter D. Next question here, number 10. Number 10, x plus y equal 10, x power 2 minus y power 2 equal 20. What is the value of y minus x? Pay attention, y minus x. we know x power 2 minus y power 2 equal 20. We can factorize about product to two brackets. The first bracket is x minus y and the second x plus y, okay? We can write equal to here x minus y and x plus y. Now the value was 20, okay? The value here was 20. Look at with me. 20 equal x minus y. We don't know x minus y, okay? Right here. And x plus y was 10, right? Product by 10. Then 20 divided by 10 equal 2. Then the value of x minus y is 2. But he wants what? He wants the additive inverse about this expression. You must change the sign. Then x minus y equal 2. So we can write y minus x. It will be negative 2. It's the additive inverse about this expression. Understood? Next question down here. If x power 2 minus y power 2 equals 16. Okay, the difference between x power 2 and y power 2 equals 16 and y minus x equal 2. Okay, what is the value of x plus y? We can factorize this expression here. X power 2 subtract y power 2 equals the product between two expressions, x and x, negative y and the positive y. Look at here, the value of the first is 16 and x minus y. Look at here, it's y minus yx is the additive inverse about this expression. It will be x minus y is negative 2. Then x minus y is negative 2. Negative 2 product by x plus y. Means the value of x plus y equal what here? Who can tell me? We can divide 16 by 2. 16 divided by negative 2, okay? Divided by negative 2 here and divided by negative 2. So x plus y, it will be negative 8. The value letter C. Next question, number 12. If a power 2 subtract b power 2 equal 45 and a minus b equal 5, find the square root of a plus b. First, we can factorize this expression here. We can write product between two brackets, a times a and b times b, negative and positive, and the product between them equal 45. Now he gives me this information, a minus b was 5, okay? A minus b here equal 5, okay? Then 5 times what equal 45? 5 times 9. Then 5 here, product by what equal 45 equal 9. But he won't find the positive square root of a plus b. Square root of 9 it will be positive 3. Okay, choose letter B. Because the sign of the square root here was positive. Okay, then the answer here will be what? Will be positive 3. This is the correct answer about this question. Okay, understood? Okay, next question. Pay attention with me. It's the last question here. No, we have also question number 13. We have x plus y equal 9. And this question also. Look at here, you can find the answer. Okay, my students, first question. Look at with me, x plus y is 9 and x minus y equal 3. Okay, he won't find the cubic root of y power 2 minus x power 2. First, we can write this expression in the simplest form, cubic root of square root of the first, it will be y by 2, right? Y by 1. And negative x power 2, it will be negative x, positive x, product together, negative x and the positive x. And the cubic root of the value of x minus y is 3. But this y minus x, so the additive inverse of this expression will be negative 3. Okay, my students, x minus y equal 3, then y minus x equal negative 3, the additive inverse, okay? Product by y plus x. Y plus x is 9. Then the cubic root of negative 3 times 9 is will be negative 27. The cubic root of negative 27, it will be negative 3. Negative 3. Then the answer will be letter D. Now, question number 14. If x power 2 minus y power 2 equal x plus y, what is the value of x minus y? It's a direct question. We can factorize the expression, right? Such that x power 2 subtracted by y power 2 equal, we can factorize x plus y, product by x minus y. He gives me this information. They are equivalent. Then we can sample it by dividing to each other. Okay, the result will be x minus 1. It will be 1. Means the value x minus 1. It will be 1. Again, I divided left hand side, right hand side by the similar. The I similar. This brackets similar by these brackets. Then we can divide it together because they give me this information. They are equivalent. Then if we divide it together, the result will be 1. Then x minus y, it will be 1. Okay, my students. Next question here, number 15. Okay. If 3 product a minus b, product a plus b equal 18, what is the value of a power 2 minus b power 2? We can factorize this expression, a minus b, product by a plus b, okay? He gives me this information. Look at here, we've divided by 3 here. Then a minus b product a plus b equals 6. Because 3 times what equal 18? 3 product by 6. 3 product by what equals this number? 3 times 6. Then the value of this expression, it will be a power 2 minus b power 2 equals 6. Because a minus b product a plus b was 6. It's a direct question, okay? Then the value here will be 6. Next question. What is the value of the expression a power 2 minus b power 2? We can raise this expression in the simplest by factorization, a minus b times a plus b. Now, he gives me this information. A plus b equal 14 here. And 7 times what equal 14? 7 times 2. 7 times 2, okay? Means the value about a minus b equal 2. Again, 14 was a plus b, okay? A plus b will be 14. And 7 times what equal 14? 7 times 2. Okay, my students, then the value of a minus b equal 2 and a plus b will be 14. Now we can find the same by product, two brackets, a minus b times a plus b. A minus b will be right here 2, okay? Product by a plus b will be 14. 2 times 14 is 28. Now, next question. Going to next question here, 17. 25 power 2 subtract by 15 power 2 equal 10 times x. Okay, we can factorize this expression by product by two brackets, 25, product by 25, and negative 15, right? Negative 15 here and positive 15. And then complete. Find the answer. 25 minus 15 is 10. And 25 plus 15 is 50. Oh, sorry, 40. Okay. Complete again. We have 25 plus 15. And look at here. 25 plus 15 is 40. Comparing between together, we have here 10x. You can simplest 10 here divided by 10. This equation. Then the value of x here will be 40. The value of x will be what? 40. Choose letter A. Now we will solve the question number 18. Pay attention about 18, okay? X minus y equal negative 2 and x power 2 minus y power 2 negative 16. We can find, he won't find the mean of two numbers x and y. What is the meaning of mean? The mean between two numbers, you must add two numbers and the result divided by 2. We call it arithmetic mean. Do you remember? We have two numbers, then we must collect the sum of two numbers and the answer divided by 2. In this example, it's direct. Why? Because he give me x minus y and x power 2 minus power 2. You can factorize this expression here about two brackets. Right here, x product by x. You can see the board here. X times x, negative y product by y, with the result will be 16. Look at here, x minus y was negative 2. Here, negative 2. Then negative 2 product by what equals 16? Negative 2 product by negative 8. Then x plus y. Okay, again, listen. Then x minus y. So in this example again, we have x minus y negative 2. Product by x plus y equal negative 8. Then x plus y will be negative 8. The difference between two numbers equal negative 8. Okay, my students, complete with me. X plus y equal negative 8. X plus y, it's negative 16, sorry. We have here sign negative 16. Okay, then we can divide it by negative 2. Then negative 2 times what? Negative 2 times the positive 8. Again, we have the sign here negative, not positive. Okay, factorize again. X by x and y by y, negative and positive, equal negative 16. Now, the value of x minus y, negative 2. Negative 2 times what equal negative 16? Negative 2 times what? Times negative 8? No, times positive 8. then x plus y equal 8. And we have also x minus y is negative 2. But he won't find the arithmetic mean. He won't find what? Arithmetic mean here. It's meaning x plus y divided by 2. It's arithmetic mean between x and y. X plus y was 2 is 8. Then we can divide it 8 by 2. 8 divided by 2 equal 4. Understood, my students? This question? Then the arithmetic mean here will be what? Will be 4 between two numbers. Next question down. Look at here. Which of the following statement represents the area about the colored part here, the area of colored region in the given figure. Look at with me here. We have two squared first, and inside it square. We can find the area of the first side by side, 5x power 2. Side by side, okay? And the area about inside it, we have also squares, the area of squares side by side, 2y all power 2, 2y power 2. Then the area will be, we can factorize here or write the answer, 25x power 2 minus 4y power 2. The answer, like this, or you can factorize also complete, right? Two brackets. It will be 5x divided by 5x and negative 2y divided by positive 2y. That is the answer about this question. Okay, we finished now with the first type of questions about factorization, the difference between two squared. Okay, my students understood? Next time I will complete extra questions about factorization between two numbers or two cubic root. Understood? Okay, goodbye. Inshallah, I will complete in the future. Goodbye, my students.